Welcome to this 10-minute full body beginner yoga stretch. This is a hands-free, wrist-free, kneeling-free, props-free, inversion-free yoga class. Let's begin by resting back. So feel the support of the earth underneath you. And allow your body to be received by the earth. Feel your breath coming in and out through your nose. And notice the sensations in your body. Maybe any tension that's present, and we'll check in with it at the end of the class. So you're going to fold your right knee in and extend your right leg in the air. And you're just going to inhale, bend, exhale, extend, and feel these stretch on the back of your right leg. Exhale, extend. And then take that right leg, cross it over your left thigh, open your right leg out to the side, draw your left knee into the chest, hold on behind your leg for figure 4 stretch, stretching out your outer thighs and your glutes. Relax your shoulders. And then you'll release this down, and we'll do that same sequence on the other side. So fold your left knee in, exhale, extend your left leg up, your heel to the ceiling, inhale, bend slightly, exhale, extend. Feel the stretch on the back of your left leg now. Inhale, bend, exhale, extend. Nice hamstring stretch there. Now cross your left ankle over the top of your right thigh. You're going to draw your right leg into your chest, hold on behind your knees, bend your knee fully, feeling the sensation on the outside of your left leg and into your left glute. Relax your shoulders, space between your teeth, soften on your forehead. Let your eyes be heavy. Okay, hug your both knees into your chest here and feel a stretch in your low back. If you want to, you can rock from side to side. Massage your low back. And then you can rock yourself up. And we'll come all the way up to standing. Okay, from standing, we're going to work on some flexibility for our spine. So feet underneath your hips, bend your knees slightly. You're going to take your arms out to the side. You're going to exhale, round your spine forward. And then you're going to inhale, open your chest up. Exhale, round forward. Inhale, open up. And then take your right arm out to the side. You can hold on to a wall or a chair for balance if you need to. Hold on to your left foot. Point your knee straight down and press your hip forward until you feel sensation in the front of your left thigh. So a nice quad stretch here, a little modified dancer pose here. And then we'll switch sides. So now you'll stand on your left foot. Take your left arm out to side for balance or hold onto a wall or a chair. Bend your right leg, hold onto your right foot or ankle. Point your knee straight down. Open your hip forward until you feel sensation in the front of your right thigh. Tuck your tailbone under. Modified dancer pose. And then you're going to stand at the front of your mat. Take a step back with your right foot. Come up on your right toes, sink down. And we'll just take our arms back behind us. Lift and open your chest. Press your hip forward. Feel a stretch in the front of your hip. Rotate towards your bent knee for a nice rotation of your spine. Step forward. Now we'll step your left leg back. Come up on your back toe. Tuck your tailbone under. Sink. Open up through your chest. Rotate your left hand to the outside of your right knee for a twist through your spine. And then you're going to come down to seated. Take your legs out in front of you. Make a diamond shape. Fold forward. Feel that stretch in the low back and your inner thighs. And then come upright and lie all the way back down on your backs. You can have your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. And just check in and see how you feel since the beginning of the class. Maybe some tension's been released from your body. I'm going to read you a poem called The Promise by Jeff Foster. In this presence beyond presence, in this place that is no place at all, in this warm embrace I call myself, even a no is a secret yes. Even resistance is deeply allowed. Even doubt is a celebration of life. Come, all you unloved creatures, all you homeless waves in life's vast ocean. Pain, doubt, shame, guilt, all you frightened orphans of light. Crawl out of your hiding places. Shuffle out of the darkness. You are invited to a great feast. Come, uncertainty, sit by my side. Come, despair, drink from my cup. Come, fear, do not be afraid of me. I will not turn away from you. I will not deny you a place at this table, now that I know the truth of myself. I invited you here long ago. I have an ancient promise to keep. So give yourself a thumbs up for completing this class. Put I am feeling more bendy in the comments and subscribe to this channel for more classes like this. Please share with your friends and go to melissawest.com/begin for the entire beginner challenge, 30-day beginner challenge. And remember that members get this ad-free. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as strong as our mountains. And may you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. Om Shanti. Namaste.